Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate chip cookies easily. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of softened butter, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. For the dry ingredients, combine 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Sweeten things up with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. And of course, 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter with both the granulated and brown sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time, making sure each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing only until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies, and we want them perfectly tender. It's almost time for warm, delicious cookies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a spoon or a small cookie scoop, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets. Make sure to space them about 2 inches apart so they have room to spread. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown. The center should still look a little soft. They will set as they cool, ensuring a chewy texture. The aroma of freshly baked cookies is simply irresistible. Once your cookies are out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This brief cooling period helps them firm up before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents the bottoms from getting soggy. Store any leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. Now, go ahead and enjoy your perfectly easy, homemade chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.